Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make a Teriyaki Flanksteak Bruschetta. This is Asian style. You know what that means? Of course you know. It's time to grill. The first step for today's recipe is creating an Asian style bruschetta topping. So we're going to get started with a can of tomatoes. These are diced tomatoes. And we're going to add some Lee Kum Kee dark soy sauce here. That's one of my favorite soy sauce. Nice flavor, nice color. And so this is approximately 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we're going to add some 5-spice powder. So it's not the goal to make this topping super strong. But of course, if you want it stronger, you can add more soy sauce or more 5-spice powder, some more salt or pepper if you like it. If you like it hot, you can add chili powder, but for me it was not the aim to make that too strong. I did this on purpose because we're gonna add fresh coriander or cilantro at the end, which has a nice flavor, and of course we will add additional flavor to the flank steak. So more to come. This is a 750 grams great looking flank steak, and we're gonna cut it like so and the other way. And what this make, it opens the flank steak a little bit. So after we grilled this one from both sides, we're gonna add some teriyaki sauce to that flank steak, and so the cuts and the place inside the meat can now take more teriyaki sauce. Oh, you will see that later. So once you've cut your flank steak this way, make sure not to cut it too deep. We're gonna need some bread here. So this is a baguette I get from my bakery down the street here where I live. This is darker with an onion flavor. If you want to have a classic French baguette here, that would work as well, of course. So cut it like so, so you have enough space for the topping. And then we're gonna take 3 pieces out of that, and you can see now it really looks good. Nice color, nice flavor. And we're gonna add some oil here. So the oil now has 2 functions. First of all, it gives additional flavor, and second, if you grill this one for a short time, it gives a nice crust. It will be a better crust than without the oil. So you can use peanut oil, which for me is a good addition to the topping and the idea of a teriyaki flank steak. So take them. We have preheated our grill for medium heat, direct heat, and we're gonna grill this. Make sure not to burn them. Could go faster than expected. And once they have kind of a crust, are a little bit golden brown, we're ready to take them off, and then we will grill the flank steak. So that's what we're looking for. A little bit of a crust. Yeah. Now the flank steak. The flank steak goes on 5 minutes or 4 minutes or so. Just make sure not to take it, not to have it too long on direct heat. We're gonna give it a turn. After some minutes, I speed this up a little bit for you. So there you go. And some more minutes from the other side as well. So this one is almost ready. Can be moved now to indirect heat. And I will show you a close-up to see how it looks like. I really like that. Nice color, nice grill marks here. So once we have put this steak on indirect heat, we're gonna add some Lee Kum Kee Teriyaki sauce. So this is Lee Kum Kee Teriyaki sauce. Great stuff here. I really love the flavor of teriyaki sauce. And then we're gonna open this one, and then we're gonna throw some of that sauce on our flank steak. So make sure if you baste it that the steak will get the sauce everywhere. So now you can see what happens to the cuts with our knife. So there will stay some sauce in there, and that's what we were looking for. So then we're gonna close the grill slit and let the flank steak cook until it has the internal temperature that you prefer. Today I like it medium rare, so we're gonna take it out soon. In the meantime, we prepare our Asian bruschetta with the tomato topping. Approximately 1 tablespoon would work here with the topping. It really has a nice color already. After adding the topping, we're gonna add some fresh coriander here. So this is a lot of people like or don't like. Most people like it or hate it. I really like fresh coriander here. It gives additional flavor to the soya, tomato, 5-spice mixture. And last but not least, the final flavor comes from the teriyaki flank steak. So that's our flank steak. Look at that color, looks amazing to me. We're gonna cut some slices here. And once we're ready with the slices, you might realize that the slices are too long for the bruschetta, so we're gonna cut them we're gonna need half of that. Pretty easy so far. This is nothing complicated, but good things don't have to be complicated at all. So it would be really cool if you give this recipe a shot one day. So once we're ready slicing this up, we're gonna take 2 of the slices and we're gonna add these slices to our bruschetta. And here is the final one. So only one small step to go until our bruschetta is finished. We're gonna add a little bit of that teriyaki sauce again on our steak. Just a little bit. Anyway, I would like to thank you for watching so far. If you haven't subscribed to 0815 Barbecue, you should subscribe now by clicking on the logo on the left side of the screen. Please hit that like button, leave me a comment if you want to have one of these right now. Make sure to watch the upcoming Asian style videos. There will be more on my channel coming up. I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.